Welcome to our channel. Are you ready to transform your garden into a tranquil Japanese retreat? Japanese gardens are renowned for their timeless beauty, serenity, and deep connection with nature. Whether you have a small outdoor space or a large backyard, incorporating Japanese design principles can create a peaceful haven right at home. In this video, we'll guide you through 12 essential tips to achieve an authentic Japanese-style garden. From creating Zen Sand Gardens to adding seasonal plants, we'll explore how to blend simplicity, balance, and harmony into your space. Along the way, you'll see stunning examples to inspire your vision. So, grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's begin your journey to crafting the perfect Japanese garden. Tip number 1. Serenity in simplicity. Japanese gardens thrive on the principle of minimalism. Simplify your garden by removing clutter and focusing on natural elements like rocks, plants, and water. The balance between empty spaces and well-chosen features conveys a sense of calm. Opt for a monochromatic or earthy palette to maintain subtlety and harmony. Avoid adding overly decorative or brightly colored items. Tip number 2. Use natural stones wisely. Stones are foundational in Japanese gardens, symbolizing permanence and endurance. Choose natural stones of various sizes to create pathways, frame water features, or serve as focal points. Arrange them asymmetrically for a natural look. You can also use gravel or small stones to mimic the appearance of rivers or streams. Tip number 3. Incorporate water features. Water represents life and renewal in Japanese culture. Add a small pond, stream, or fountain to your garden. A bamboo water spout, shirshiro-doshi, can enhance the aesthetic and add soothing sounds. Ensure the water element is harmoniously integrated with the surroundings. Tip number 4. Introduce bamboo and wooden elements. Use bamboo fences or wooden structures to define garden boundaries or create focal points. Bamboo is a classic element in Japanese gardens, symbolizing strength and flexibility. Combine it with stone for contrast. Tip number 5. Add a Zen Sand Garden. Create a small Zen garden using fine sand or gravel. Rake the sand into patterns resembling waves or ripples. Place a few large stones or sculptures as focal points to represent islands or mountains. Tip number 6, use native Japanese plants. Incorporate traditional Japanese plants such as cherry blossoms, maple trees, azaleas, and bamboo. These plants bring seasonal beauty and authenticity to your garden. Opt for plants that grow well in your local climate. Tip number 7, create pathways with natural materials. Construct garden pathways using natural materials like stepping stones, gravel, or wooden planks. Allow the paths to meander, inviting visitors to explore at a relaxed pace. Tip number 8, add a stone lantern or pagoda. A stone lantern or pagoda serves as a focal point and adds cultural authenticity. Place it near pathways, water features, or prominent corners of your garden. Tip number 9, incorporate bridges. If your garden features a pond or stream, add a small wooden or stone bridge. It symbolizes a journey or transition and enhances the garden's visual appeal. Tip number 10, include moss for ground cover. Moss adds texture and a sense of age to your garden. Use it as ground cover around rocks, trees, or pathways. Moss thrives in shaded, damp areas, making it perfect for serene gardens. Tip number 11. Frame views with garden gates. A traditional torii gate or wooden garden gate can frame the view of your garden and create a sense of entry into a tranquil space. Tip number 12. Emphasize seasonal changes. Japanese gardens celebrate the beauty of changing seasons. Include plants and features that highlight seasonal transitions, such as cherry blossoms in spring and maples in autumn. That's all the 10 tips on how to transform your garden into a Japanese-style retreat. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more garden inspiration. Let us know which tip you'll try first in the comments below.